If you actually want to know how to use Finviz Screener for day trading, then watch this short video till the end. My goal here is to make you find clarity and actually leave this video actually knowing what to do next and what next steps are so you're not confused. So this is very simple process. What I really like to do, okay, day trading. So to find stocks that I day trade is the following, right? And again, I'm speaking from experience because this strategy I've tested for 15,000 videos over the last pretty much well, like how long? Like 3 years that I've done everything on my YouTube channel. Okay, documented everything. What you want to do? Okay, go finviz.com and you go to screener, bam, like this. Now you're actually just met with these things right here. What I will first fix is the float short. Okay, you want to go boom here and make this be a good over 25% or just over 20. Let's put it over 20. Pretty much, this is short selling. The amount of short selling to transactions given to a stock. Why that much short selling stock? I mean, I honestly wouldn't use that much. So this is why I just kind of go with over 20. You want your relative volume, meaning kind of the volatility. Okay, the ratio between the current volume and the 3 month average intraday adjusted. This should is going to be over one, right? So I'm putting this over one. And lastly, what you want to do is just go the shares outstanding, which are over. This is not last thing. Let me just go here. Boom. Pretty much meaning you can see right here, shares outstanding represents the total number of shares issued by a corporation and held by its shareholders. You want to make this be a good over 10 million. Now I'm only left with these ticker symbols, like it's only like 2 pages or so. Seems like it's 1 in 23 or so. Yeah, 23 picks. And at this point, what I like to do, I mean, overall, like if you just check out the charts here, all of them pretty much are going to be kind of pretty bearish. For example, let's check EWTX here. EWTX. You see, pretty much previously was bearish and now it starts to pick up higher. Now, for you to day trade this, obviously, because I like to get into long positions, this is where I will be like looking for my rules and everything to just take it higher and whatnot. So this is a pretty beautiful example. Now we're still pretty high, so if it comes in there and gives me my rules, probably still expecting it to continue to deliver higher. So what you want to do right now, you're left with these. Ideally, I mean, you can just go and just you look at the um, let's go technicals. You want the price to be above the SMA 50, and then you're left with a lot fewer stocks, right? This is pretty much some of the stocks that are actually just starting to pretty much shift. Let's check out AXSM. I mean, your job is obviously going to be to just go ahead and look what rules are being followed. For example, now this is pretty good. I'm not even going to lie. My honest opinion on this is going to be to take out the highs and whatnot. But obviously, it depends on the strategy that you're using. Obviously, this is though something that's working for me. Like if you want to screenshot on everything that you see on the chart, I mean, this is everything that I'm actually using to just kind of see what stocks might be a great opportunities or whatnot to day trade. Take a screenshot of this picture right here, and I'll see you in the next video.